Hi friends, welcome to Shazi Educational TV. Today, we're going to learn alphabet letters with fun. Are you ready? Let's go!
Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
A is for apple,
H, I,
crunchy
J,
and
K,
sweet.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
B is for bunny,
W, X,
funny soft
Y,
feet.
and Z. Now I know
C is for
my
castle,
ABCs.
tall by the sea.
Next time won't you
D
sing
is for
with
dinosaur,
me?
stomping with me. E is for elephant, ears so wide. F is for flower, colors so bright.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
G is for guitar, strum, strum, strum.
Now I know my ABCs.
H is for hippo, boom, boom, bum. I is for igloo, made of snow. J is for jelly, wiggle, wobble, glow. K is for kangaroo, hop so high. L is for ladybug, flying by. M is for monkey, swinging from the trees. N is for nest, tucked in the leaves. O is for owl, who hoots through the night. P is for penguin, in black and in white. Q is for queen, with a gown and a crown. R is for rocket, zooming past town. S is for sun, so big and so bright. T is for tiger, a stripy delight. U is for umbrella, to keep out the rain. V is for violin, a musical strain. W is for whale, in the ocean so deep. X is for X-ray, while you're fast asleep. Y is for yo-yo, going up and then down. Z is for zebra, with the best suit in town. A for apple, A for ant. B for ball, B for bat. C for cat, C for car. D for dog, D for duck. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for frog. G for goat, G for grapes. H for hat, H for hen. I for ice, I for igloo. J for jug, J for jam. K for kite, K for key. L for lion, L for lamp. M for monkey, M for mango. N for nest, N for nose. O for orange, O for owl. P for parrot, P for pen. Q for queen, Q for quilt. R for rabbit, R for rose. S for sun, S for star. T for tiger, T for tree. U for umbrella, U for unicorn. V for van, V for violin. W for watch, W for whale. X for x-ray, X for xylophone. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Y, and Z. Now I know my
Great job,
ABCs.
friends!
Next
Don't forget
time,
to like,
won't you
share,
sing
and
with
subscribe for
me?
more fun learning videos. See you next time.